Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong numbers within range in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 37. Armstrong number for n digit number in C. Please go through previous video before going through this video. What is Armstrong number? Here we have input number 153. First we need to get individual digits like 1, 5, 3. Here it contains 3 digits. So we need to do sum of cubes of individual digits equal to input. Here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. 153 is Armstrong number. Here we have another number 1634. It contains 4 digits. So 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. 1634 is Armstrong number. If you want to get individual digits, then we need to use division and modulus operator. Here we have input number 153. 153 divided by 10 will get quotient as 15 and remainder as 3. Take 15 and divide by 10. Here 15 divided by 10, quotient is 1 and remainder is 5. Take quotient 1 and divide by 10. Here 1 divided by 10, quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Here we are getting individual digits like 3, 5, 1. These digits we need to use it to find Armstrong number. We'll discuss this logic using VS Code. Launch VS Code and create C application. First step is read input from command prompt. Printf, please provide input number. Declare variable to store input value. Int input scanf %d comma address of input. Now we need to find Armstrong numbers within range. So here we need to iterate for loop. Declare for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to input I plus plus. This for loop will be used to iterate value from 1 to input. Here declare variables to store result. Double result equal to 0, int count equal to 0. Now we need to declare one for loop to get individual digits. For int temp equal to I, temp not equal to 0, count plus plus. Here temp equal to temp divided by 10. Now we need to declare one more for loop to find Armstrong number or not. For int temp equal to I, temp not equal to 0, temp equal to temp divided by 10. Here int remainder equal to temp modulus 10, result plus equal to power of. Here we need to use power function. Power function is not available. Power function comes under math header file. So now we need to add math header file. Here hash include math.h. Here use power function. Now power function is available. Power function taking two parameters and those are double power of pass remainder and counter. Remainder comma count. Here this power function taking double, but we are passing integer values. Double is bigger than integer, so double can store integer values. So here we will not get any compile time error. Let us check I is Armstrong number or not. If I equal to result, printf %d is Armstrong number. comma I. Execute this code, go to run, click on run without debugging. Please provide input number 1000, enter. We are getting output as 1 is Armstrong number, 2 is Armstrong number, like that. We need to format this data. Here provide /n, go to run, click on run without debugging. Please provide input number 1000. Here 1 is Armstrong number, 2 is Armstrong number, 3 is Armstrong number, like that. 9 is Armstrong number. These 1 digit Armstrong numbers. Later 3 digit Armstrong numbers are 153 is Armstrong number, 370, 371, 407. Go to run, click on run without debugging. Here provide 1 lakh, enter. Here we are getting Armstrong numbers within days up to 1 lakh. Here 1 to 9 are Armstrong numbers, then 153, 370, 371, 407. These are 3 digits Armstrong numbers. Later 1634, 8208, 9474. These are 4 digits Armstrong numbers. Later we have 5 digits Armstrong numbers. Now we'll debug this program to understand flow of execution. Before debugging, we'll change code here. Here for loop will execute from 1 to input. It will take more time for debugging. Here what I can do, I'll change to 152. Here 152. Now this loop will execute from 152 to input. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Your input number, for example 154. Enter. Here it will check from 152 to 154. Here int I is equal to 152. Here 152 assigned to temporary variable, temp is equal to 152. 152 not equal to 0, true. Then 152 divided by 10. If temp is equal to 15, that means quotient. Here count is equal to 0, it will increment by one value, that means count is equal to 1. Let 15 not equal to 0, true. 15 divided by 10, temp is equal to 1. Count is equal to 1, it will increment one value, that means count is equal to. Here 1 not equal to 0, true. 1 divided by 0 will get 0. If temp is equal to 0, count it will increment one value. Here 0 not equal to 0, it will exit from for loop. Your count is equal to 3. That means that number contains 3 digits. Here I assigned to temporary variable, temp is equal to 152, 152 not equal to 0. Later 152 modulus 10 will get remainder as 2. Here we will pass remainder comma count to the power function. Remainder is equal to 2, count is equal to 3. Here 2 power 3 will get result as 8. Later temp is equal to 152. Here temp is equal to 152. 152 divided by 10 will get temp is equal to 15. 15 not equal to 0, false. Later 15 modulus 10 will get remainder as 5. Now 5 comma 3, that means 5 cube. That 5 cube add to result. Here result is equal to 133. Now temp 15. 15 divided by 10 will get temp is equal to 1. 1 not equal to 0, true. Then 1 modulus 10, remainder is equal to 1. 1 comma 3, that means 1 cube. That result add to this variable. Here result is equal to 134. Now 1 divided by 10 will get 0. 0 not equal to 0, false. It exits from for loop. Here result is equal to 134. I is equal to 152. 152 not equal to 134. So 152 is not Armstrong number. Now I increment 1. I is equal to 153. 153 less than or equal to 154. It will continue. Here I is equal to 153. Temp is equal to 153. 153 not equal to 0. Here 153 divided by 10 will get individual digits. Here count is equal to 3. Here temp is equal to I, that means temp is equal to 153. 153 not equal to 0. 153 modulus 10, remainder is equal to 3. Now 3 comma 3, that means 3 cube is equal to 27. 27 add to result. Here result is equal to 27. Now 153 divided by 10 will get 15. Here temp is equal to 15. 15 modulus 10 will get remainder as 5. Then 5 comma 3, that means 5 cube. 5 cube is equal to 125. 125 add to result. Result is equal to 152. Here 15 divided by 10 will get 10 plus 1. 1 not equal to 0, true. Then 1 modulus 10, remainder is equal to 1. 1 comma 3, that means 1 cube. 1 cube equal to 1. 1 add to result. Result is equal to 153. Here 1 divided by 10, 0. 0 not equal to 0, false. It exits from for loop. Here I is equal to 153. Result is equal to 153. True. 153 is Armstrong number. Here 153 printed. Later it will check for 154. 154 is not Armstrong number. Go to run. Run without debugging. F5. Here we will provide 10,000. Enter. Here 153, 370, 371, 407, 1634, 8208, 9474 are Armstrong numbers within range 152 to 10,000. Using this program, we can find Armstrong numbers within range. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.